where
Rainbow
Big Boy had a dolly.
Good morning,
Rainbow
Vanilla
was
ma'am. Good day.
solar system, right? Among these four only you should sing. No
Good
rocket
morning,
rocket
Vanilla
science
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good day.
Rainbow
Yeah,
rhyme.
good morning, Kavyani. Have a good day, you too. Rohita,
Ma'am, rainbow rhyme, ma'am. Rainbow rhyme.
come on, sing first.
Okay, rainbow rhyme తల్లి. Oh, look there is start.
Oh, look.
గట్టిగా చెప్పమ్మా.
Oh, look the rainbow.
Start. Correct ma. Oh, looks there is a rainbow.
Oh, look the rainbow. It's a color.
It's so violet.
It's so violet. It was a color blue, green and yellow too.
Confuse అయ్యావా? Start your first నుంచి. Oh, looks there is a rainbow.
Oh, looks like a rainbow. It's so violet. Hey, wait, there is indigo. Oh, the color blue, green and yellow too. Oh, comes orange too. Finally, that is red and rainbow is red.
Very good, Rohita. Next is Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, sing any two rhymes.
Miss Polly and a dolly got to sit. So she called up the doctor to be quick. The doctor came along with his badger and he knocked on the door with a racket action. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said to Miss Polly, put us straight to bed. Not on a pepper for a bill, and was back next morning for a bill.
Next rhyme.
Under your bed, beside the gate, his father has his legs all eight. He bowed his father, buzzing bees, 6 black floating legs as sheep.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, ma. Dev Krish. Tarnika,
Yes, ma'am.
come on.
The pentagon. Oh, look, there's the rainbow. It's a violet. Wait, there is indigo. Also color blue. Green and yellow calmness and then orange too. Finally, this red and the rainbow is red.
Okay, next rhyme.
8 planets around the sun. Let me count them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with rings and light. Uranus and Neptune are so far but just in line.
Very good, ma. Tarnika.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, ma. Night. Kavyani, sing any
Good
two rhymes.
morning,
Morning.
Vanilla ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, ma.
Ma'am, Janavi.
Janavi, good morning, ma. Janavi. Kavyani, sing any two rhymes.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am. Eight planets around the sun. Call them one by one. 8 planets around the sun. Let me call them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the closer to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes with ringing lines. Uranus and Neptune are so far, but just in line.
Very good. Next rhyme.
On the driver beside the gate, the spider has his legs all 8. The boy inside the Simbi, 6 black 40 legs are shake.
Very good, ma. Thank you so much, Kavyani. Danvin.
Stop.
Yeah, I'll call you, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Any two rhymes.
Rainbow.
The look that's a rainbow, it's a violet. Color blue, green
Yes,
and
good
yellow
morning, ma.
and the story too. Primary, the red rainbow
Someone is eating. Next time.
Solar system.
Solar system.
Got it.
8 planets around the sun. Let me count them one by one. Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Mars are the closer to the sun. Jupiter is big in size. Saturn comes rings line. Uranus and Neptune are so far, but this line.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Diction.
Yes, ma'am.
Sing any 2 rhymes.
8 planets are on the sun. If you call them one by one, Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Mars are the closest to the sun. Jupiter in size, is ring in size.
Is in line.
Uranus and Neptune are so far, but the thin line.
Very good. Next rhyme. Next rhyme.
Rocket, go to space.
Rainbow.
With the white moon is wheelless. To all the people saying goodbye.
Diction. Rainbow rhyme.
Rainbow. Oh, look, there is
Oh,
sound up.
look, there's a rainbow. It's so violet. Wait, there's a indigo. It's so the color blue. Green and yellow comes next. Then this
Orange too.
fancy dishes
Red.
and
Rainbow.
red.
Okay, very good, ma Dikshan. Thank you so much, Dikshan. Children, all of you look at the screen. Ma'am is going to write few number names. You are going to find out, okay?
Nothing, ma'am.
Good morning, Ritvik. Children, I am going to write the number name without the number. Okay, you have to find out which number name is that, okay?
Six.
Okay, good. Very good.
SIX.
Okay.
Echoing, please mute yourself. Nine. Only 9, okay? Good.
Steve.
16. Okay, now mute yourself, children. I'll tell you how to identify the number names after 11. Okay? Come on, mute yourself, everyone. This is 11. Okay? And the next one is TWELVE. And this is TWENTY. Okay, now which is 12 and which is 20? TWELVE. This is 12. 12 ends with VE. Okay? 20. 20 ends with TY. This you have to remember, children. Okay? TWENTY is 20. And then ELVE is 12. So don't confuse with 12 and 20. Okay. And next is all these teen number names. What is TEEN? What is TEEN? Teen. Okay. And whenever you add some number name before it, it becomes here 6, teen, 16.
16.
Okay. Yeah, 16. And then when you write number 7, and then when you add teen to it, it becomes 7, teen, 17. 17, 17. TEEN is teen. Okay, children, don't forget that. Teen. Okay. And then 8 number name. EIGHT. 8. Teen. 18. 18. Okay, 18. And then number name 9. And then when you add teen to it, TEEN is teen. 19. 19. In this way, you have to find out because you already know the number names from 1 to 10. Okay, so when you add teen to it, what number name it becomes, you have to find out in that way. Another one, what is this number name?
50.
Yes, if fifth. Okay, TEEN, teen. 15. Okay. Sanita. Four. 14. Okay, FOUR is 4. TEEN is teen. 14. Okay, 13 only it will be little bit different. THIR. 13. 13. 13. Okay, so in this way you have to find out the number name. Don't forget this TEEN is teen. Okay, and the different number names from 11 to 20 is, yeah, good morning, ma. This is 11 spelling, EIEVEN, ELEVEN. In this way only you have to learn. No E, L, E, E, not like that. Together you have to learn ELEVEN, 11. Same way, TWELVE. Double letters you have to take for learning. TW. Together you have to say. And only by writing also you should remember. Who is anyone who has unmuted yourself? Mute yourself. Lakshana, mute yourself. I want everyone to be in mute. Okay, TWELVE, 12. Okay, and then 13 also, and then 20. TWENTY, 20. TWENTY. Single letters you should not learn. When you learn single letters, you will forget. Okay, so add another letter to it, make it double, and then you learn. Okay, children, this way you have to learn. I want you to take your maths notebook now. Before that, we'll finish our Kidsy anthem, okay? Come on, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, very good morning, children. Good morning to everyone. Now, all of you, breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. How will you breathe in? Breathe out.
Breathe in, breathe
Breathe
out.
in, breathe out. Breathe out through your mouth. Okay. Breathe in. How will you breathe in? Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now all of you stand up. Try to stand with one leg. Lift one leg up. Not like that, Ashini. Very good. Very good, Rohita. Try. Good, Zeddy. Try. Try to stand at least for 30 seconds. One leg. Try to stand with one leg. Third support. Very good, Tarnika. Such a balance you have. Good girl. Kavyani, try. You can do it, Kavyani. Satvika, why don't you try, Satvika? Try. Vidyut. Very good, Nukshita. Well done. Nukshita, Tarnika, no, very good. You can hold your parents' hand if you want. Only one hand, okay? Come on. Very good. Very good, Nukshita. Good, Satvika. Very nice. Good. Good. Kavyani, not able to stand up. Hold your dad's hand and you can stand. Give one hand, Kavyani's dad.
Okay. Right.
Hold your daddy's hand and stand. Good. Rohita, try. Ashni, good. Yeah, you can get support from your parents too. Good. Well done. Very good. Now all of you jump. Jump for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good. Now all of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Get ready for the attendance. Darshika. Dev Krish. Danvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Farnaz.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Farnaz. Joined. Okay. Hashini.
Here I am.
Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Kartikeyan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Nitek.
Yes, ma'am.
Nukshita. Pranita.
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
Nitek, mute yourself. Your audio is echoing.
Ma'am.
Rohita.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nitila.
Yes, ma'am.
Nitila.
Yes, ma'am.
Why don't you say yes, ma'am, Nitila? Satvika.
Yes.
Siddharth.
Yes.
Okay, ma. Siddharth. Dharnika.
Here I am, ma'am.
Vishank.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Vishank.
Morning, ma'am.
Vidyut.
Yes, ma'am.
Ivan. I am taking attendance. To whom are you saying my name is Vidyut? Your mom already knows your name. Look here.
Look there and say.
Look here. Now tell me your attendance. Ivan.
My name is
Okay, Zeddy. Zeddy. Okay, Lakshana.
Yes.
Good children. All of you are present. Well done. Good. Okay, children. Now take your math notebook. Take your math notebook. Get a bangle from your mama and draw 3 circles out of it. Get a bangle and draw 3 circles out of it. And inside the circle, you are going to make group of tens. Okay, it can be a star, smiley, whatever you want. It can be a shape. Like that you have to do, okay? So I am going to draw a triangle. Group of tens you have to make out of it, children. Class login பண்ணுங்க. Finish, children. Let me know whether you have finished.
Ma'am, Jabba.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Rohita. 3 circles you have drawn and you have made group of tens.
Yes.
Very good.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, once you finish, now what you are going to do is, you are going to count only the groups, not like 10, 20, 30. You have to see how many groups are here. 1 together, 2, 3. So how many groups are here? How many groups are here? 3 groups or 4 groups. How many groups are here? 1, 2, 3. So you have to search the number.
I'll చూడు ఎగ్జామ్ లో అలా చేయాలి
Okay,
చూసుకో
in assessment also you'll get this type of question. Nobody should count like 10, 20, 30 and don't search for the answer. It is very clearly given. Count the number of groups and choose the option. Okay. So don't count like 10, 20, 30. No, it's wrong. Okay, I have to count the number of group only. 1, 2, 3. How many groups are here? 3 groups are here. Okay, the same way you're going to do it in your assessment also. Don't get confused. Okay, children? For that purpose only I told you to do this activity. Okay? And next thing is, how many fingers do you have, children? How many fingers do you have? Okay, together you will have 10 fingers. Okay? You should not say that you have only 5 fingers. You have 5 fingers in one hand. When I ask you regarding hands, what you should say? I have 10 fingers in my hand. Hands means both of your hands, okay? Okay, this day you have to attend your assessment. So all the best for your assessment, children. Like how you did yesterday, I want all of you to perform well. All the very best to everyone, okay? Uma ma'am, can you please post the
Thank you,
link?
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Ma'am. Ma'am, can you please post the link, ma'am?
All the best.
All the best to your friends. The link has been posted, children. You can open the link. Open your maths notebook. Take your numbers. You have written till 100, right? Keep it ready, children. 1 to 100 we have written in 1 to 100 we have already written. Take it, open it and keep it ready so that it will be easy for you to find out the before number. Type your name. First question, which has more number of objects? More. 3 options are given. See which has more number of stars in that. Which has less number of objects? Less. Smileys. And then which is the number name for 6? This is the number name for 6. Fourth one, which is the number name for 8? Number name 8. Fifth one, how many apples are here? Count and click the correct answer, correct number name here. Sixth one, how many group of tens are there in 40? Group of tens, as I told you, count only the group and click the right answer. Seventh one, which is the 3-digit number? Eighth one, which is the bigger number? Write out in your notebook, children, and then find the correct answer. Ninth one also is the same, which is the bigger number. 10th one. 10th one is very easy, children. I have already taught you how to find the bigger number when you have 2-digit and 3-digit number. And then 11th one, 89 and 98. Work it out and choose the correct answer. Children, take your own time. Don't rush. Do it slowly. Thirteenth one, write numbers from 21 to 25 and find out what comes before 23. If you don't want to write the numbers, you already have 1 to 100 numbers written in your notebook. From that, you have to circle number 23 first. And then go one step back. You will get the correct answer. Check for the answer and click the correct answer. Next is what comes before 18. Circle number 18. Go one step back and find out what comes before 18. Next is what comes before 45. The same way, circle number 45. 45, you have to search in number 41 to 50 line. 18, you have to search from number 11 to 20 in that line. And next is what comes before 58. 58, you will search in which line? 51 to 60 line. That line you have to search. Don't go from 1, 2, 3, don't go like that. And then 73. 73, you will search from number 71 to 80. In that line, you will search. Because all we have written in a line, only 10 numbers we have written. So search in that line. 18th sum, what comes after? Have to find out. 29, 30, 31. What comes next? 19th one, 84, 85, 86. Next number. How many fingers are there in your hands? 20th sum. Number name is given. Choose the correct number name, children. Numbers are not given. Be careful. Choose the correct answer. How many numbers are there in a wall clock? If you have a wall clock in your home, count the numbers and then see which number name is correct and then click the correct answer. Look at the wall clock in your home, count the numbers. You can see how many numbers are given in that wall clock. Click the correct answer, okay? If you don't have wall clock, you can see it through your watch itself. Wristwatch if you have, well and good. Find the missing number. This is tens counting, children. Already we have learned a lot regarding tens counting. 10 dash 30. What comes after 10? 50 dash 70. What comes after 50? If you have doubt in between, you can count from 10, 20, 30, 40 like that also you can count and find out the correct answer. And then 80 dash 100. 40 dash 60. And finally, check for your answers once again and then submit. Once you finish, we'll go through the answers like yesterday. Come on, let me know how many of you have finished. Only one time you can attend, children. Don't go for 2-3 attempts and all. Then we'll not be able to put the correct mark. So one response is enough. Has anyone finished?
Ma'am, for question number 15, I'm not able to select, ma'am.
15, huh?
Yeah,
Why?
I'm not able to, I don't know. I'm not able
Able
to-
to select only.
For me, that option is not coming. Either it is select 43 is getting selected or 45 is getting selected.
44 is not being selected,
Ah,
huh?
yes, ma'am.
Everyone, it's the same issue everyone is facing?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. What to do? These three options, only the center option you are not able to select, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Try it one more time, Tarnika's mom.
Okay, ma'am.
Check it out, or else you do it another time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ashini completed, Vivan, good. Janavi finished, super Janavi.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Danvin, Dev Krish, very good.
Ma'am, Danvin has gone to the restroom, ma'am.
Okay, no issue. Ritvik, Nukshita. Rohita, finish. What? Rohita. Finished, Diction finished. Ritvik finished. Good. Why don't you unmute and answer, Rohita? Parnas finished.
Ma'am, I'm looking.
Ma'am,
What?
she finished, ma'am. She check it, ma'am.
checking is
She
correct.
telling, ma'am, I finished, but I check it, ma'am. She tells.
Checking
Oh,
is
okay.
not correct.
We'll check for the answers. Don't worry. Farnas, finish. Pranita, finish. Darshika, very good. Darshika completed. Good. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 responses. Sir. Rohita also finished. Good. Okay, we'll check for the answers. Which has more number of objects? Yeah, good, ma, Farnas. Ashni, which box has more number of objects? 1, 2, or 3?
3, ma'am.
3. Very good. Okay. The next question. Dave Krish. Which has less number of objects? 1, 2, or 3? 2. Good. Okay, next is Dikshan. Dikshan, what is the number name for 6? 1, 2, or 3?
3 objects.
3 option. Okay, good. Darshika, what is the number name for 8?
8.
Huh? First one, second one, or the third one? Eight, number name.
First one, ma'am.
Very good, Darshika. Next is Parnas. How many apples are here?
5.
Which option? 1, 2, 3. Which is the option?
2.
2. Good. Janavi. Sorry. Janavi. Janavi. Kartikeyan. How many group of students are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
4. Good. 4. Danvin. Which is the 3-digit number?
100.
Good.
Option 2.
Okay. Okay. Next is Kavyani. Which is the bigger number? Kavyani. Kavyani. Okay, Nitila. Nitila.
Next, ma'am.
Which is the bigger number? 56 or 73?
73.
73. Okay, next is Nitek. Which is the bigger number? 44 or 33?
44.
44. Good. Nukshita. Which is the bigger number? 99 or 100?
100.
Pranita. Which is the bigger number? 89 or 98?
Bigger number is
77.
97. This one, 89 or 98?
அது மேல இதுல
8. 98.
98. Okay. Rohita. This is the bigger number, 77 or 67?
என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னு
57.
67.
No, ma'am. She tells 77, ma'am.
70.
Rohita. Right? Okay. Which is the before number? Who's this? Rohita, Ritvik. Ritvik, what comes before 23?
say what comes before 23.
23. 24.
24.
Before look here and
Did you do it in your notebook? Check your notebook and tell me the answer.
What?
22.
22. Good. Satvika, what comes before 18?
Yes, ma'am.
What comes before 18, ma?
17. 17.
Good, ma, Satvika. Okay, 44 I've already done. Tarnika, what comes before 58?
57.
Good, ma.
57.
Vivan, what comes before 73?
What comes before 73?
24.
71, na?
20.
I can't hear you.
Loudly சொல்லு.
Huh?
Answer பண்ணுமா. Before
72. Okay. Next is Vishan. What comes after 29, 30, 31? Vishank. Vishank.
Yes, ma'am.
29, 30, 31.
What 31 करते हैं ना वो
31.
After 31.
after 31 31
3, 2. I am this.
3 to what?
No, I am Disa. 3, 2.
I am busy, ma'am.
You're busy, oh busy. Ah, okay, tell me the answer and you carry on with your work. 3, 2.
31 करते हैं ना 3
Come
2
on, tell me the right
What is
answer.
3 2?
3, 2.
32.
Ah, good. Now carry on with your work. Thank you so much. Next is Vidyut.
I am
correct. After 86.
84, 85, 86. 84, 85, 86.
87.
87, 87.
Good, ma. 87, 87. Good. Ready? Steady. Why Dhanvana? Steady. Steady is not there. Lakshana. Okay, many of you know that. Okay, children, answer for this. How many fingers are there in your hands? 10. Okay, good. How many numbers are there in a wall clock? 12. Good. Find the missing number 10. After 10? 20. Good. Next is 50. After 50? Next is 80. Dash. Good. Next is 40. Dash 60. Okay, shall we check how many marks Vella ma'am has got? I've also submitted myself. Score. I got 25 out of 25. Good. Children, did you all check your marks? How much did you get? Everyone got 25 out of 25. Everyone got 25 out of 25. Yeah. Did you face any difficulty in doing that? Any difficulty? Don't lie to me, children. Come on, tell me. No issues, huh?
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. Thank you, children. The same way, prepare well for your concept exam also. Concept exam, I'm telling you, you have to learn that spellings. When you see the spelling of the planets itself, you have to identify. For example, ma'am will show you. Wait. Now tell me which planet is this, okay?
Neptune.
Neptune. Good. Neptune only. When you see N itself, you have to find out it is Neptune. Or else you can blend it and you can read Neptune. Neptune. Like that also you can try to read. Okay. Next planet.
This one.
Mercury. So what planet is this one then? Okay, that is Mercury. What is it? Mars. Good. You have to find out it is Jupiter.
Is this one?
Ritvik, what is this planet name? Come on, tell me. Ritvik. What is this?
Louder.
Saturn. Good. Mukita, what planet is this? Huh? Mukita. Uranus. Okay, well, so like seeing itself, you have to say, okay. And then what spelling is this?
சொல்லு.
Moon. Good. Earth. What is this? What is it? Others, mute yourself. Indoor. Very good. Indoor. Okay. And what is OUT? What is it? Kartikeyan, what is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Outdoor.
Game.
Outdoor.
OUT out. OOR.
Okay. Find out what game is this.
Chess.
Very good. Cha. When you see cha, chess. Blend it and try to read properly and then answer for the question, children. And then what game is this? Carom. Okay? Carom. Good. Okay.
Snake.
What is it? Good. Good. Very good, Nukshita, Hashni. Skating. This way you find the letters, children. Okay. This way only in your assessment papers also it will be given. Pictures will not be given. You have to find out the word and you have to find out the correct answer. Okay. Thank you so much, children.